Angelica is joining us now, and how much rain are we really going to get out of this when it's all said and done, right?
Not a lot, not for us.
Unfortunately.
Sorry guys, it's disappointment here in San Diego. This is not doing much, and certainly if we see anything additional, maybe we could squeeze out a 1/10 of an inch, but certainly not what they have seen to our north. 64 degrees right now in San Diego, the humidity at 63%. The winds are coming out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour, and it's been pretty windy in the mountains and deserts. You can still see those winds impacting Julian at 23 miles an hour, 24 in Borrego, and about 18 in Mount Laguna. You can see how scattered in nature this is. Basically, we have the leftover pieces of subtropical moisture that's just kind of been streaming throughout the state of California, but we're getting the leftovers here. Everything that was good has already happened. You can see a few spotty showers in Mount Laguna, Campos, Oceanside, so it's all over the place. In El Cajon, we have a little bit of shower activity right now. If you're in the downtown, it's probably dry there. And then you make your way up to Oceanside, not much happening, but everything is over the water. Eventually, we'll see it streaming off to the east. As we break it down hour by hour, that on and off shower activity will continue overnight, with the best of it between midnight into early in the morning. So for your commute, expect to see some of those scattered showers. The next area of low pressure that's coming down is with this frontal boundary that's actually producing some pretty strong thunderstorms between Bakersfield and Fresno, and those actually have been severe at times. All that rain, as it continues moving south, breaks apart, runs out of steam. We're way too far from the main source of energy, but still it's going to be a wet morning commute with scattered showers. It'll be very light in nature. Into the afternoon, we dry it out. We'll see some sunshine, then another wave. This just keeps on going, but it doesn't bring much. We'll see another wave on Sunday with temperatures cooling down as we head into the weekend. In our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast, we'll keep it in the 60s Friday, 64 with morning showers, drier in the afternoon, becoming partly sunny. I would say tomorrow it's not going to be all that bad. If you wake up late, you may miss out on those showers in the morning. Saturday, 62. The winds will be picking up again at the coast and also inland, averaging between 15 to 30 miles per hour. Those windy conditions are going to be a little bit stronger in the mountains, where the temperatures will be around 47 Saturday, 43 on Sunday. Snow levels today above 6,000, 6,500, and most likely dropping as we head into the weekend. So a few flakes are possible. We'll see.
That'd be nice.
I plan on missing those showers tomorrow morning. Might wake up late.
Sleeping in.
Yep.